Okay, where are we today?
Ma scusa, i primi che devono... stand her.
Yeah? Just say hello. Hello. I know you can say hello. I've heard you say it. Hello. Hello. No? Okay. Goodbye. Yes, it is. Okay. For those of you that haven't been down here in a while, we'll just roam around a little bit and go say hello to some of the birds. Hello. Hello. No? Okay. That's Dudley. Hello, Dudley.
Hello.
Hello, Dudley.
Hello. Hello. Hello, my name is Mia.
You know, what can I tell you? Let's stop and see Jerry Jr. Hello. Hello, bird. Jerry Jr. Hello. What you doing in there? Huh? Hello.
Jerry Jr.
Hello.
Yellow nape Amazon.
Yellow nape Amazon. All right. Baby. Hello. 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 You don't like my camera, huh? Right along. There's Caesar. Caesar.
2008. Remember when I cried?
Caesar. Hello, Caesar.
Wendy. Wendy says, "Oh, you ought to move to Florida." And we said, "We're moving
Okay. Well, real quick little visit. Jerry's. See the birds. Now we have to go inside and find some barley pops. So this was just a quick little short video. And hope you enjoyed it. For those of you that haven't been down in a while, come down and see the birds. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit the like button. And as usual, if you haven't, please subscribe, and we'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.